Welcome. In this video, I will share some common solution to fix no sound issue on your LG Smart TV. So let's start with the basics. Try to increase your volume level using the physical buttons on your remote control. There are two dedicated buttons to increase or decrease your volume level. There is also a mute button, but basically if you mute your volume and then increase it, it will return to normal. So after that, if this doesn't help you, let's check the sound mode and the sound output. So to do that, on your home screen, navigate to the gear icon to open quick settings menu, and here you can find both sound mode. Try changing it to a different sound mode and see if this fixes the issue. Also, most importantly, change this sound out to TV speaker, then select close, and also you can go to the all settings menu, and you should do that. Then go to sound and then select advanced settings, then select reset here, then select yes, and this way you will reset all the sound settings. After that, check if this helped you in solving your issue. Okay, and if this didn't, let's power cycle our TV by short pressing the power button. Wait until the TV fully shuts down, and after that, let's unplug it from the power source for about a minute, and then just wait. Power your TV back on and check if this helps you solving the issue. And if it didn't, let's check for any available software updates. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Hold down the settings button on your remote control to open all settings menu, and then navigate to, let's wait. Navigate to support section, and in support section you will find software update. Select check for updates, and if your TV finds any updates, let it download and install them, and once it downloads and install an update, power cycle your TV once again to make sure that all the changes applied, and after that your sound problem should be fixed. But as a last resort, you can perform a factory reset operation and reset all settings and basically everything on your device. So if you have some important files on it, then back them up to your pen drive, or to your USB flash drive, for example, and after that, after you back up your important files, let's perform a factory reset operation by going to System, and then in System, in general, then System, you have to select Reset to Initial Settings, then select Reset All, and if prompted, enter your device's password. And so that's how you do it, and after your TV is fully reset, your sound should definitely go back to normal, and if it didn't, then in such case, this is most probably the hardware problem, and in this case, I highly recommend reaching out to LG customer support service and telling them about your issue, and most probably send your TV to them for repair. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.